Second innings now. Jamaica Scorpions started the West Indies four-day championship with an impressive 7-wicket win over Barbados Pride on the final day at Chadron Park after losing first innings points. Kirk Mackenzie 135 and captain John Campbell 126 shared in a first-wicket partnership of 242 to push the Scorpions to 326 for 3 inside 2 sessions, chasing 324 for victory. 3 bowlers had 1 wicket for the Pride, with Jair McAllister the best with 1 for 41. Now, earlier in the day, Kevin Wickham, resuming on 81, went on to score 108 not out, his second century of the match, as Barbados Pride declared on at 317 for 8 in their second innings. And there were also half-centuries for Shane Mosley, 65, and Shamar Springer, 54. Markina Minley was the pick of the Scorpions bowlers with 3 for 48. So scores in the match: Barbados Pride at 348 and 317 for 8 declared. Jamaica Scorpions at 342 and 326 for 3. Mackenzie was happy to score a century, but says there is more to do as the championship progresses.
Myself, I know that other games the plans will change and they'll come at me differently. So it's just for me to go back to the drawing board, look at what I can improve on, and just try to improve every day.